Our project here will be improving the efficiency of these wastewater treatment plants, especially in terms of elimination and degradation of emergent contaminants like pharmaceuticals and hormones.
We are building a system that translates between Moroccan sign language, visual gesture language, and a spoken written language, i.e. Standard Arabic.
The goal of my proposed research project is to develop appropriate watershed and farmer-based erosion control practices in the Ethiopian highlands.
There is a new categories of crops that could be introduced on saline lands. How to make industrial plantation of these crops by using mineralized water. How to make use this biomass as a forage for livestock.
We are interested in the study of the behavior of some lakes in the Andean Cordillera.
Try to find out to what extent or intensity of coral disease spread out throughout Indonesia.
What the peer project contributes to Professor Jumpa's project is we're providing monitoring of coral health and potential impacts associated with climate change.
Pure science was announced actually during the Indonesian US scientific meeting.
I've heard about it from a former US collaborator.
We learn about this program actually from our partner.
My first contact was through email from our International Relationship Office.
I received an email like everyone at the UB about this project, and then I thought about applying and writing a proposal.
The process wasn't very difficult indeed.
We didn't have any trouble like preparing the material.
It was very smooth. The application itself, I didn't find difficult. Now the difficulty was getting our idea understood by the reviewers and the decision makers, okay, in order to get our project selected.
The most important thing is to have in mind that you have a real clear question in the project. We also look at the USAID projects in Colombia and in the area, and we found also that there was a good relationship between them.
The applicants should not simply demonstrate how their work will contribute to science, but equally important, how their work will contribute to solve today's problems.
You are looking for something that you can do actually with in the time and the constraints that you will have in your research. Don't offer too much, because you have to be also reasonable in the amount of time that we have to develop the project.
It was not very difficult to find the US partner. I mean, the NSF website was very helpful. I simply had to look up and, for people who work in the same area and who have an active grant.
You can do it because when you go to the web, I think many American researchers are interested in getting someone from outside collaborating with him.
It was not so difficult for me because I had many colleagues in USA with whom I am working still now.
Actually, it was a really good match between our need and their expertise.
We associated my research project with a new PhD program we established in my school.
I strongly believe that investing in science is the best option for sustainable development.
21st century is a kind of century of interdisciplinary complex work. This is why now we are working together. So it's a lot of specialists involved in such kind of project.
The project pools knowledge and skills from both partners.
Good opportunity for the students to really be exposed to international kind of level researchers. I would like to encourage everybody really try this peer application.
Go for peer and do not hesitate in applying.